the customer support agent with Newo AI. So once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to see in here promptly all of the agents you can use. You have near super agent, best agent, email worker, convo agent, and also all of these main flows that you have right here. So you can actually just use in here the main agent, which is one to have this one, which is the convo agent. You can head over and click on this plus right here and then add them to your flow that you want. Also put in here your flow ID and as well as your title. So if you're actually looking for something more specified, you can head over and then click on this create agent right here. Then let's name them customers. So this is the name of that. And let's also name them personal title of customer support and description of customer support, and then click on this create right here. So all of the six that I have filled up is actually depending on you. And then you should be able to see them right here already created. We have in here customer support added. You can head over and click on this plus icon right here and then add them to any flow that you want as well. And you can also review the AKV they have. You can head over and add a topic, import facts, and just feed them anything that a normal customer support would do. Feed them the script that they need. So that's how you make a customer support agent with Newo AI. Hope we help.